Where are we?
At the Indian
Village.
Hi.
village.
The Medicine Wheel or Sacred Hoop was a symbolic feature built and used by various indigenous tribes throughout North America. Many variations of the sacred hoops existed, each unique with either ceremonial or astronomical significance and meaning. They varied in size, number of spokes, placement, and meaning. The Wolf Creek Museum Medicine Wheel was placed in honor of that tradition. It includes a center cairn. 4 spokes of the wheel represent the 4 cardinal directions, with colored glass to represent the 4 colors of man to welcome all. The museum's building's 4 corners are also set to the 4 cardinal directions.
It's colored glass, baby.
To represent the 4 colors of people. Look at that. It's clear. Come up here, see if you can see this. Anyway, I'll get you in this. See, look. That's what their towns used to look like.
The Indians?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Hold on. Let's pick you up and show you. See? That's how their towns looked.
They're there.
Mm-hmm.
They're animals.
There are animals.
I'm over here with us.
Hold on, I want to sign the guest book too.
Somebody from Scotland, UK was here yesterday.
All right.
Mommy, it says no pictures allowed. No
Yeah.
taking pictures.
Where did it say that? Oh, no museum photos, please. Oops.
$2.5 million difference because of the bridges and stuff. Where we can see right here as far up as the creek, that's where this village actually set. The creek goes through about a third of our village, more on this side. We're 100% 200 foot offset, but we're directionally sound. So we kept the exact directions. We were given a map and we built the village. Yep, y'all can have a seat.
There is a kid one too.
We have
Oh, wow.
furs for the seats, but with the water up, our creek's actually about 4 times bigger than it usually is.
Yeah,
And
but
we've had
they
flooding.
do fire in this house.
That's how they do fire, but that's how they kept warm when it got
I'm
cold.
going to let you try to make a fire here in just a little bit.
What? You think you can do it?
It looks like it's
Do you
snowing.
hear her? She's gonna let you help her make a fire. They didn't have a lighter, Zach. Just when they
apparently
found
they
one.
No. Okay,
Getting it.
so guess what I'm going to put on Mommy?
Look, she's painting Mommy's face.
I am going to put war paint. If you came here and your guide was John, he would tell you women never wore war paint because John was raised Cherokee, and Cherokee would never ever let a woman go to war. My family is from further up north, and every single tribe in my family but one, women are actually the hunters. They also
Like a
could
cat?
go to war
Yeah.
if they wanted to, or if
Or
the
like a
need
tiger.
came us
Or
away.
like a tiger.
But like I said, we also had some peculiar things out here at the back of the house. So
Mom,
right
look at that.
was actually a storage pit. It started dating 2,000 years old.
Yeah, it's a grave, baby. This is a graveyard.
In the lawn. So one more down there and then I have back here versus up there. So they did have shells. They did have a loom. We did find markings on pottery.
Don't go under here, baby.
It can be made with a cord wrapped around a stick, but it was perfectly symmetrical on 2 of the pots. We didn't find a lot of pottery shards, but what we did find
do
was
it
generic
how it
atypical Appalachian.
Yeah, but we
ridge.
don't go under there, baby. It says do not enter.
So, of course, they wore hides for clothes.
Remember we talked about that
Furs.
animal skin?
These people grew gourds. They were farmers. They had corn, they had beans, they had gourds. They thought they could.
Some people still do, don't they?
Well, you know, I was like 30 years old, and I was in school, and I was like, "Don't smash your fingers."
Yeah, that won't feel too good. You do it?
You okay?
You wanna do it, Bubby?
You gonna try?
Smash it. You smash things good.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
What a smasher.
Good job. So, do you see how hard that is to crush? Do you know if we boiled this in water and let it soak in hot water, the shell would pop off and then we could just grind it really, really easy. This will make cornmeal. If we boil it and make like hominy and then dry it out and then it's made into maize. Maize you can eat. Indians eat Johnny cakes in the winter. It's the only time they eat corn. Johnny cakes are made out of cornmeal. And then you take...
This looks like an egg.
That is actually a
You
bean.
like it,
You got me
eh?
stuck. But these people have beans,
You don't like beans too well, do you?
popcorn, sweet corn. We're done by using a deer antler and cracking
Go
them.
that side.
So this is a spear. See that? This is a knife.
Nice.
Yeah, look.
Whoa.
Sharp, huh?
And it's just a piece of rock.
This piece of rock.
Yeah. So this, what's this look like? Does this look like an arrowhead?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. The arrowheads we found weren't real pretty. They basically were pointy and sharp, and they could tie them onto a bow and arrow. But it was really cool that we found all sorts of sizes. So like this is like for an atlatl. Like it's a throwing spear. I'll let you try to throw it. Okay. And this is how they say Indians started a fire, right?
Yes, you cover your mouth.
He's outside. So I'm outside. I'm letting it go.
Are you going to start a fire?
So I don't burn my hand. And then you just rub back and forth. You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, one at a time.
One at a time.
Let her try. Okay, you're going to here, take your hand, put it right here. Don't push down. There you go.
How neat is that?
Leave his hand, put it here. There you go.
Yeah, you
There you go.
Wow,
did.
Bubby.
This is making a fire.
That's how they made them a long time ago. They didn't have lights. Fire.
Look how easy that is.
Yeah.
And it's rubbing two sticks together. Exactly like the
really
other.
cool.
Okay,
It's in.
come over here. Okay, ready? There you go.
Wow.
You can push down as fast as you want. I'm just holding it up for you. You push, okay? See how it does it itself? I smell smoke. Do you smell that?
Yeah. Fire?
Yeah.
On this wet log might be hard, but you wanna try?
You try?
Try it, Elliot.
Okay, ready? Push fast.
There you go.
Oh gosh, you're going fast.
He's strong, ain't he?
He is. I had a woman send me a message on Facebook. She's like, "Thank you for teaching my 11-year-old son how to start a fire." He went home and built one. He went on
Come on.
YouTube. And oh look! We got hot coals. You see that?
Yeah.
That's coals you need to start a fire.
Wow.
Are you tired yet? Huh?
Smell
Yeah.
It's
See
smoking.
See that? Don't touch it. It's hot.
See what she does with it.
So, this is a dart. Do you see how that one flew, how it spiraled?
Yeah.
Do you see how that one flew straight?
Yeah.
This is the wing feathers, and this is the tail feathers. The wing feathers fly different. And you can throw it like a dart, or you can go underhand.
Pretty cool. You try?
Yeah. Here,
Come here.
yeah, go on that side, Bubby. Good
Yeah, come over here so she don't stab you.
job.
Oh, that
job.
was close. Okay.
All right.
Sit right here. Okay, wait till he throws and then you can go get yours.
Throw the other one. Throw the other one. Other one.
He's like, I didn't get close enough.
Woo!
All
Good
right.
job.
Hey,
Hey, you
you
can
go
throw
get
them
him.
again if you want. I'd retrieve them for you, but I'm old.
Good job.
Good
Watch out,
job.
Sissy sewing.
Whoa, wait.
Sissy might stab you.
Back up. Like that. Sew it again. Whoa.
All
that's a big
right.
throw. Go ahead, Bubby.
There you
Whoa.
go.
That's pretty neat, ain't it?
You're tough.
You're tough.
Yeah, do you want to see how far you can throw them?
Whoa.
Oh,
There you
that's a
go.
long ways. Oh,
Whoa.
look at
Good
that.
job.
You gonna throw one, Zach?
I spin.
You sure did spin.
Yeah.
Very cool, huh?
Here, y'all can throw them again if you want. Oh, let me give you one of these. That way you have one that spins and one goes straight. We get the
Whoa.
addle for you.
Whoa. Wow.
Good job.
All right, get him up.
All
I
right.
can throw mine, but mine's made totally different. Mine's fancy because I bought it. This is the throw. And the reason that I give you this one is because the other one we got in there is really, really heavy. So, see this little notch in here? You're gonna put that in there. Now,
Sling it.
wait.
Come here.
Bubby.
Okay, there you go. Good job.
Good
All
job.
right, Father.
Right.
Close enough.
This is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You want, well,
Madam, oh, Bubby.
sorry. You move. Here, hold it right here. Hold it right there. Okay, you got it? Here, hold this one too. You ready? Now throw.
Just there you
Good job.
Good job.
So my family
Egg for
actually know what they use this bark on their top, maybe even on the sides. This is bamboo, of course, 100% incorrect. But river reed was used by southern woodland Indians to actually pit as their housing form. And then they would just wattle and daub the outside. The problem is we're in Virginia. And this is not going to keep you warm with a little bit of mud on it. One thing, we mudded the front of that house, and you can see it's all gone. This is how I believe the houses were built. Or they were just wattled and daubed with like bricks, like they do in South America. South America, you put poles, and then you basically have bricks. You clay it up. Once again, we don't know for sure. But it's really cool that there were only 3 features that were square, and they were all right here. Everything else in the whole village is around.
I'll get this stuff for you.
Okay. So this is food house. So it is a turtle shell. So this is food, right? Would you eat a turtle?
No.
If you was hungry enough, I bet you would.
This turtle is amazing. It's called a snapping turtle. It will bite you. So trust me, you want to eat it.
Before it eats you.
Yes. This is what the inside kind of looked like. It had ribs that went the whole way. They took these out to use for home for the loon. This would be your hairbrush. Because you can't.
Ow.
They didn't have a Walmart to get a hairbrush.
Yeah, you can't. So you have to make a hairbrush, right?
Ah, okay.
So this is also, you can cook in it. You can scrape it down. It's like a frying pan. You also, sometimes they said they would put babies in there because it's like a cradle, baby moves, it
Yeah,
rocks
that's
itself.
like a bassinet, don't it?
Yeah. And there's also at least 8 kinds of meat. Most people will tell you 9 and some people say 12. I don't know. All I know is that there's a piece of meat in here that tastes exactly like alligator.
It's 12.
People eat alligator in Florida.
I can only tell them.